Trust wallet is like Metamask wallet. If you know about Metamask wallet, then you know about Trust wallet too, and you can easily understand how to use Trust wallet or how you can buy any coin using your Trust wallet. So hello and welcome guys. In today's video I will guide you how to install and create Trust wallet account on your smartphone. So let's get started. If you are on Android phone, then simply go to Play Store, search here Trust Wallet. The first option is the Trust Wallet. Simply click on Install option, and once the Trust Wallet installation is completed, then click on Open button. If you haven't any Trust Wallet account, then simply click on Create a new wallet. If you have Trust wallet account already, then click on I already have a wallet. But as I'm showing you how you can create a new wallet, a new Trust wallet account, so click on create a new wallet. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click continue. Backup your wallet now. Simply, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Your recovery phrase. Here you can see 12 phrase word. What it means? In the future, if you forget your Trust wallet account password and you want to reset your account, then you need to type this 12 phrase word. Otherwise, you cannot restore, you cannot reset your password. Remember, you should save this 12 phrase in your computer or any paper and never share this code with anyone, because if anyone access to this code, they can hack your account, they can get your all coins, all assets, all funds, and you cannot do anything. Okay, here you can see never share recovery phrase with anyone. Store it securely. Simply click on copy. Now click on continue option. Now you need to verify your recovery phrase one by one in sequence. Okay, finally click on done button. Your wallet was successfully created. Click on done. Push notification enable. Here you can see your Trust wallet account like Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain. So now you can easily transfer your coin from Binance or any other exchange website to your Trust wallet. How? Go to here. Here you can see all the coin that are available on Binance, Coinbase, or any other exchange website. Suppose if I want to transfer my XRP from Binance to Trust wallet, simply I will enable this option. If I want to transfer Polkadot from Binance to Trust wallet, then I will turn on this option. Here you can see find the coin that you want to transfer to your Trust wallet and enable this option. If we go to back, now here you can see Polkadot XRP. If suppose you want to transfer XRP from Binance to Trust wallet, click on XRP. Here you can see three options: send, receive, copy. What the send option will do? If you click on send option, here you need to type your XRP address of Binance to here and select the amount of XRP and send your XRP from Trust wallet to Binance. Or you want to receive XRP from your Binance account and Trust wallet, then click on receive button and here copy the address. Copy address, go to your Trust wallet and find the XRP coin, click on withdraw and paste this address, simply you will get your XRP coin. So this was the easiest step to install Trust Wallet and create Trust Wallet account on your smartphone. The method will work on iPhone and Android both also. So if we come to settings, here you can create a new wallet. Suppose I want to create a new wallet, I understand. Then again copy this, and again you need to paste this first, and simply you can create your new Trust Wallet account. But for me this one is fine. Okay, if we go to setting, here you can enable dark mode. About security, you can set passcode whenever you want to open your Trust Wallet, then type the password and access your Trust Wallet. Then push notification, price alert, which is the best option that I always do in Binance. Then here you can see Twitter, others are not that much important. So in next video we will cover how you can transfer any coin from Binance to Trust Wallet. So for today's video, it's just end up here. If you have any question, any confusion, feel free to ask me in comment section. If you are new in our channel, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.